Take a look at our other channels too. There are several different age indicators that give medical professionals a more accurate snapshot of a person's biological age. Lung health is one of these age indicators. A person with healthy lungs and a greater aerobic capacity should actually be seen as biologically younger than someone who has no stamina and much more difficulty breathing. Both medical exams as well as simple questionnaires can help you discover if your lungs say that your chronological age matches your true age. A person's height is also an interesting indicator of a person's accurate age. As we enter into life over 40, people tend to lose bone density. When that occurs, the vertebrae compress more, and it has a shrinking effect on how tall we appear. If no significant bone density issues are present at an advanced chronological age, that points to someone's true age being lower than previously thought. Perhaps the easiest way to find out if you're really younger than your birth certificate says is by measuring your flexibility. The test is simple, quick, and can be done in the privacy of your own home. To perform this test, do a few exercises to get your blood moving. Push-ups, sit-ups, and a brisk walk around the block or backyard are good options. After the initial warm-up, do some stretching. Dynamic stretching, when you are moving while you stretch, is preferable to static stretching, when you don't actively move but remain in place during the stretch. Now you're ready to see how young you really are. While standing, place your feet together and reach down, trying to touch the floor. Bending your knees ever so slightly is acceptable for this test, but it's better if you keep your knees straight and locked. Perform the test and have someone see how far you reached. The results are easy to read. If you're flexible enough to touch the floor with your palms, you get an A+. You've got the flexibility of a young person in their 20s. If the exercise was a little bit more difficult, but without any pain, you could still touch the floor with the tips of your fingers, you're doing well. This result would put your actual age into the mid-30s. Only being able to reach your shoes tells us that you might be starting to age more. Tight hamstring muscles that don't give much put most people's true age in the 40s. Anything less than touching your shoes without a significant bend in the knees points to a person being 50 years old or older. The best part about this true age test is that with a planned exercise routine, you can definitely turn back the clock and improve the elasticity of your muscles. You'll feel much better and younger. So, how old is your body? Let us know in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.